Corporate design is becoming increasingly important for our clients. It will become more and more the case that we want to further transport the personality of the company via the HMI and so create a personal business card for the company. At the same time, you also want to make sure that with the HMI, which is personalized, you present the production process in the best possible way for the customer. Furthermore, if you have an optimal operating structure, the error rate due to incorrect operation decreases significantly. Corporate design aims to only show what the customer really needs in order to avoid operating errors. With the Corporate Designer tool, SIMATIC WinCC Unified now optimally supports our customers in realizing their own styles quickly and easily. We use or rely on the format of SVG graphics, which are easily scalable and always sharply displayed on the panel. The great thing about the new tool is that you are now able to transfer your styles one-to-one from a designer tool, for example, and implement them directly in the engineering. For example, it was always a big issue that we wanted to represent square corners, and now we can realize that very easily with this tool. What excites me about SIMATIC WinCC Unified and the Corporate Designer is that I can quickly and easily implement styles in my program, implement them, define color gradients, simply get feedback from the customer, and then incorporate this into my engineering. It works here independently of the runtime. You can look at the designed element and its behavior directly in your editor. If you press the button, for example, you get direct feedback. My conclusion is that we have created a tool so that you can easily and quickly implement your company's design into the engineering and thus realize your own individually designed HMI. With our Corporate Designer, you can easily engineer your unmistakable corporate design today and incorporate it into your HMI panel visualization at the end.